Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can clear your browsing history in the Pale-Moon browser. So let us dive into this. So launch the Pale-Moon browser on your desktop computer or laptop. Next guys, what you want to do is left click into this button in the top left, hover mouse over history, and then choose clear recent history. You may also use the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-Delete. Then this window will open up for you. So select the time range to clear. As you can see, the interface looks a little bit different than on other browsers. So what you want to do is select the time range. For example, all data would be everything. And this is going to delete all items from that list here. So it may be necessary to expand that list by clicking into details and below select or unselect the elements of your browsing data you would like to keep or delete. So select, for example, browsing and download history, and then navigate to clear now, and that is going to clear your browsing history for the selected time range. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.